Good morning. It's day 3. I've been meaning to do a quick tour of our campsite, of our setup. So we'll do that now before the kids get loud. So we've got a gazebo here, 6x3, and the kids' tent right next to it. So this is our camp kitchen with the portable gas oven. Yes, we bought a fridge. Yes, we bought a microwave and a rice cooker. This is our prep space. Pantry down here. Kids' snacks up there. Extra storage there. And then we've attached like what's this called again? A mesh kit, so we could eat in peace without being bitten by mosquitoes or eaten by flies. Mesh kit in the second half of the gazebo. Inflatable couch. Dining table and benches. And then on this end we have Renzo. Say hi. Hi. Good morning. How was your sleep? How was your sleep? Good? Good? Yeah, you did. You slept like a baby. And then this is our bed here. It's a queen airbed, queen size airbed. The baby's travel cot here. And yeah, so that's our bedroom. This is the dining area. This is the kitchen. And we'll have a quick walk through the tent. So it's like a 4-bedroom tent, I guess. 3 and a bit. Right, this is the kids' tent. If it'll open. This is the boys' bedroom. 3 boys. There's suitcases and 3 girls. So we bought them like stretcher bunks just to save space, because there's 7 of them. It's really cool. So each room has their own door. That's a door there. 2 windows. Door. That's a door. Windows. And this is a door. So you can. There's privacy in every room. This is where we set up the projector the other night. And that door was our screen. Let's close this up. And yeah, that's basically our setup. Clothesline. The trailer that brought us here. All our stuff. Kids' bikes. Have a Barbie on Christmas Day. Just down here is... Oh, I just walked there, Katie. So we have like a creek, lake creek, running along the back of our campsite. Very pretty. Creek along the campsite, back of our campsite, and then just behind these trees there is the beach, Umina Beach. You can hear the waves from here. See other campsites along here. And yeah, that's us. That's the our power and tap for washing dishes or but yeah, that's our setup. Took us like almost 5 hours, about 5 hours to set up on the first day. Where's Levi?
Mom.
Beautiful breeze. Where did you go? And then just over there, where is it? Over there are the toilets, and then the showers are down that way. About 3-minute walk down that way. You went to the toilet. How was your sleep last night, Levi?
Good.
Good? You had a good sleep?
Yeah.
Lennox was the first one up this morning.
On my bed.
Huh?
I sleep on my bed too.
You sleep on your bed too?
Yeah.
Did you have a good sleep? Yes?
I was the first one up. Mom, look.
You were the first one up yesterday.
Mom.
How was your sleep?
Good. Woke up at 8:45.
8:45. Me and Renzo were up at 6,
Mom,
enjoying the sunrise.
Mom, look.
Yeah, the car's going. And our site number is 12. Got site numbers all over the place, so we're number 12. Beautiful day. I think it's another day of swimming. What are we doing today, guys?
We're going to Umina Beach.
We're going to the beach?
Yeah.
Beach? Beach today?
Yes, Mom, can I open this? Skateboard park.
Skateboard park?
Later. Skateboard park.
Or skateboard park maybe later when it's a bit cooler.
Oh.
Auntie?
No, move back.
That's cool.
When I was in primary school.
Oh.
Me
Did
too.
you eat it like that?
They used to like freeze up they had like popper drinks and they froze it and we ate it like ice blocks.
Ice block.
Ice juice.
Ice cube.
Ice juice.
Ice juice.
Ice juice. There's the corner. I couldn't find the big one, so this is the one I'm just recording.
What did you guys do today?
We went to the water park at the water slide.
You went to the water slides?
Yeah.
What else did you do today?
We did drawing.
You were drawing in the morning after
Got
breakfast?
camped. Yeah. We had
And then
breakfast.
water slides?
And now we're eating ice. Now we're eating apple juice ice block.
apple juice ice blocks. Ah. And Leilani found a goanna about 5 minutes ago
Oh, there I can see it.
in the bush area over there. I'm hoping it runs at her. That would be the funniest. Did you find it? The crocodile? Where? Where's the crocodile? Where is it?
These fishes in here.
Fishes.
Yeah.
There's no crocodile.
The one was a fish and it ate it.
You can actually step down and go down. The crocodile over there.
Yeah, what's
Oh.
dangerous in the sea?
What's dangerous in the sea?
Yeah.
Sharks,
And
stingrays,
and
crocodiles.
and
Well, they don't live in the ocean, but
and
move back.
and
Currents.
and blue bottles.
And blue bottle what?
Blue bottles.
Blue
They're
bottle.
An invisible blue snail, but then there's like the shell on the thing, and then the like thing hides in the shell, invisible
And
shell.
what's the sea creature called? Blue bottle.
Blue bottle.
You want to go to the pool? But you just swam in the shower. Didn't you swim in the shower? Did you swim in the shower?
I wanna go to the pool.
You want to go to the pool?
Yeah.
Renzo, you want to go to the pool? Show me. Show me. Oh, who made your bread? Leilani, of course she did.
She buttered the outside.
Mm.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a Leilani job right there.
Eu posso sila mai. Yeah. New style le. Paka fa for falawa e. Yeah.
Ask when she gets here. Ask who made the breads. Yum, eh?
Buttered outside your bread like that. Why? Oh, and you butter inside your bread?
Show me your bread. Show me your bread.
Why would you do that
Show me your bread.
to your brother's bread?
Come show me your bread.
You know what that looks like?
Oh, perfectly buttered inside. Very nice. Yum?
Oh, look, Sansa. Sansa.
Huh?
Been loving you from afar, like a distant star, waiting to take my chance for a little romance, yeah. Oh girl, I want more than a dance with you, and I can't wait another minute. I hope you feel what I'm feeling, ooh. Maybe something takes over me, every time when I feel you near, like a hole in my heart, gonna take a special touch. Baby, you're what I want and I need you right now. Psycho, no boy, sapi.
So we're just heading down to attempt to try and do a photo shoot on the beach. Never done a photo shoot before. See how we go. Should be fun. But yeah, this is day 3 of 7 days at the beach. Looks like the beach is busy. So yeah, we're gonna see how we're gonna go doing our photo shoot. Should be interesting. How you going, brother? Yeah, good, brother. What bag? Yes, we're going. Where's Loriana?
Psycho, no boy, sapi. Rainbow got me going insane, yeah. Girl, I wanna get to know ya. Girl, me really wanna show ya. Show ya all the ways that you make me feel, yeah. Maybe something takes over me. Every time when I feel you near, like a hole in my heart, gonna take a special touch. Baby, all I want and I need you right now.
Went for a photo shoot. Another mission. Now we're just gonna go make dinner and probably go out for a stroll later tonight.
Police coming. Slowly. Renzo, look. What is it? Renzo. Put the bread in his hand, Leilani, and then Loriana control his hand.
Have one?
Oh, it's alright, it's alright.
Oh.
Let him eat it.
What about the birds? Look at this. Blew on his shoulder. Yeah, the blew on his shoulder.
Yeah, it blew on his shoulder.
What a waste of bread.
Oh! Oh, Renzo!
That's what I thought he was. We have one? Emma and Katie. And the kids. But Manuela, enjoy your time away for this festive season. Thank you all for everything. Thank you for all your support throughout the year. Love,
You can do
love and blessings from Dad and Mom.
Nana and Papa. Say thank you, Nana and Papa, for the Christmas present.
Thank you, Nana and Papa, for the Christmas present. Thank you, Nana and Papa. Yeah, it's $1.
As we gather together, me I fit thank God for this weather. We can't wait for this treasure. We in December where the gifts are from heaven. Now the sleigh bells are ringing.
And I've got Lorenzo's present at home. I am so sorry, my poor son.
Let me say I love just feelings. Oh, Jesus, you're the reason for this season. My Jesus, my Jesus. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero anno felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. What is it, young? God, in you we believe in. Oh, I'm grateful for the life that you're giving. For the life that you're giving. I cherish every moment. I got my daughter and my son building snowmen. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero anno felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. What is it, young? God, in you we believe in. Oh, I'm grateful for the life that you're giving. For the life that you're giving. I cherish every moment. I got my daughter and my son building snowmen. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero anno felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. What is it, young? God, in you we believe in. Oh, I'm grateful for the life that you're giving. For the life that you're giving. I cherish every moment.
Where you gonna go? Martin? 4 in a row. That was quick. Okay, let's try again. Oh, get yours.
Ready?
Oh, yep. We're gonna do it.
So 1-0.
Yep, you can let go.
Alright, who's going first?
You, because I already went first. Wait.
No, you don't have to put both on.
One more.
Excuse me.
Happy birthday, Kevin. Happy birthday.
Whose birthday is it today?
Jesus.
Yeah. Okay,
I hate Satan.
let's do the local.
Can I try the pasta, please?
You didn't finish it.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Stop looking at me.
No. I see your eyes. I see your eyes.
See the
Thank you.
doll.
They almost finished the pasta.